I'm here today with the Vevor hand pump, and I know this is a little bit of a weird use case, but this shows you exactly how it works, so I think that's quite nice. And I'll show you in a minute how this works with the pump, but my son loves to play with water, so I made this continuous loop of water flowing from the rain barrel back into it so they can play a lot longer and we don't waste any water. So you need to buy a hose and connect it. It's not included, but that's okay. And then this hose can go into your well, right? Or wherever you want to pump your water from. Now I've bought a hose with a little bit of a filter on the outside, on the other end, and I think that's essential so you don't get all of that dirt and leaves and debris right up into your hose. So that's my tip, to buy a hose with one of those filters on the end that works perfectly. Now when I put that in the water and I start pumping, first you need to fill the hose a little bit, right? So a couple of pumps, but after that the water immediately starts flowing. So there's a little bit of a pump system in the bottom of the Vevor hand pump, and that makes a vacuum and then suctions back up the air and water with it, and then it just comes out. So it works very easy. It's not that heavy to work. My son is 7 and he can still work that, so anybody can use this. And very nice. The color is great, but you can choose some different colors, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.